Xma TV. So, jadi kali ini kita bakalan shopping in the Mystery DIY. So, let's get started. We go in there. Pencil cast. This is some baby pencil thing. I love that. That is very cute.
I like it too.
What do you want to get?
Oh my god, this is like a lot of one pack. Really?
Tapi aku udah punya. Anything in here? So I have.
Oh my god, there's so many like I like in here.
Done? Okay, in here.
This is like mine. I have this.
Yeah.
Oh my
Oh,
god.
that is a very big.
Oh my god. Anika.
Holographic.
Ani. Kak Via.
How about this? That is cute. Oh, and I have pencil. Pencil. I love this stuff.
Oh my god, I like this too. I like. Oh, I like this one.
Yeah, that is a very good.
And that one too. That is so.
But we have that in the home.
I want.
Pen.
Oh, there's like
We have our giveaway.
marker.
What are we gonna get?
Hey, this is like mine. I have this at home.
Okay. Kita bakalan giveaway buat kalian itu apa ya? We gonna give away.
I want it.
You want that? That is cute.
Cute.
My sister want this. Okay. So we gonna
Cute.
give away this.
Iya, aku mau banget ini.
You want
This
it?
is like a pool. Harganya 11.
For giveaway.
Kakak mau nggak?
For giveaway. We need one for giveaway.
Patungan gitu yang untuk giveaway. Mau.
Okay.
Mau.
We want this one.
Mau.
Okay, this one.
I want
This for
that.
giveaway and we put in that.
Yang giveaway di bawah ya, di bawah ya. Oh my god, it's so cute.
Did I eraser? Oh my god.
Ooh, this backpack.
Yeah, let's try
This
for
is all rubber.
for
Oh my
eraser.
god, there's so many things that I like. Oh my god, over there is like a rainbow thing.
Rainbow, you like the rainbow?
Yeah,
So we gonna
I
stop.
cannot reach it.
Okay, so okay. This is wallpaper, but we don't need the wallpaper. Okay, so let's get started. Oh my god, all about this. I love this so much.
Oh,
Okay,
I like
guys.
the bottom of it.
What do you want to get? This is the one blue color.
I like this so much.
I love this so much.
Well, let's do that for a giveaway.
For giveaway.
Bukan for giveaway.
So we gonna go in here.
We like no budget. Oh, cute.
Adek, dadah.
What we gonna buy?
Dadah.
Halo, Hana. Kak.
Holographic. We love the holographic.
Oh my god, there's so many.
So
This
no, where is the unicorn?
only unicorn.
Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Oh. Done. So we wanna
Oh
gonna
my
shopping somebody.
Oh my god, okay.
Oh, sheep. We love sheep. I don't know why.
I'm looking at the highlight.
Highlight. You want
Oh my
highlight?
god, there's so many things. I'm not looking like that. This is like yours.
Yeah, I have
What is
this.
the password, Be?
Nggak beli buku-buku tulisan lagi ah.
Enggak dong.
I know.
Banyakan buku tulis.
Okay guys, so you look at this and I wanna get this, but oh my
Mahal
god.
banget 37, coba bayangin. Sekecil itu.
Oh my god, what is this? Hat.
Let's
This
buy
is somebody.
54.
This is glitter and this is somebody not glitter.
Okay, good.
Oh my goodness, I have this somebody and I have this.
Oh my
Anything.
goodness. So
Eraser.
I like these ones. I like the match. All of this, like the lot of them. Oh, glue.
Glue. Yeah, I
Oh
have
my
glue.
god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Okay, so we're gonna go in there.
Oh my god.
Ah! Jadi bantal ini bisa diubah warna ketika kalian warna rumahnya ada yang warna silver or green. That is black and silver. Oh my god, I love this because this is rose gold color.
Ya, aku mau tulis
That
Allah.
is pillow. This is hanger. I would give her a hanger, not. I'm kidding you.
I saw your three.
I love that.
I love this so much.
And I love this so much. And I can.
tulis Allah.
Allah, that is cute.
So much. I love this so much.
Okay, so let's get started in the book.
Hey, wait for me.
Oh, that is cute. We're gonna flip to flip.
Wait,
And
this is different one on the back. This is ice cream.
yeah, that is ice cream. We have the mini backpack.
So this is my car. This is our car.
We gonna book. Somebody will need book. Okay, look at this.
This is cute. There's like a squishy thing in the middle. I like this so much. This is like Target. Look at Target. This is like Target. Oh my god, this is cute. But it's like, oh my god, it's like.
We don't wanna get that.
Let's see, where we go? This is like like a. I want like a password for someone.
Sweetheart. What is that? That is gold.
The holographic. And there's like a pink one.
Rose gold.
And like a silver. I like the pink. There's so many stuff that I like. Over here, there's so many binder. Not like binder, but like stuff.
Bang.
Wow.
I know you love this, guys.
Oh,
We're gonna
this.
open.
So this. Oh my god.
That is plainer. You cannot put it
This
up.
is so high. I cannot get. Oh.
That is cute.
But it's blank yellow.
We're gonna forget that for giveaway. No.
This is cute.
Done. Oh my god.
Want it? Let's get it for giveaway.
No, I don't know.
I don't know. It's like.
Okay.
This is like 30
Sticky note stop? No. We don't want to get
to
that.
my house. To my house. To my house.
That is cute. Okay, so we.
Hey, my car.
Oh, that is flower. I don't like the flower. And we need somebody this sweetheart. Oh, we need this one. Hello and everyone. So we want
I look so many stickers that.
this for giveaway. We need for giveaway, guys.
Put it at the bottom.
And that.
I'm still looking like this.
I want to give away this for you guys. No, I'm kidding you. And this thing, no, I'm kidding
You
you.
guys look.
What is it? Oh my
Like
God.
a water sticker.
Water sticker, guys. We love it. This.
Want to get it? There's so many.
So we need the one for giveaway. We don't want to get this for we.
Oke, nanti pas lagi di jalan pecah lagi ya.
Right, we don't want to get this and this one.
Hello, the car. Oh, this is cute.
Oh, I love that. I love that.
I love this. You take this card.
No, we want to gonna get one.
Yum, I'm getting starving.
That is cute. This is music.
And this is ice cream.
Okay, so I don't know. We want to get a sticker or
Here, I
no?
love it. Wait for me. You see this cup?
What are we gonna get? We get this.
Kids.
Ah! Sorry, guys. This is my sister.
Lupa, cuma mau itunya ya.
Okay, so that is the little board. So
Oh my god, wait, there you go. Oh, this is too like expensive.
But we're gonna get this for you guys.
We need like a clip.
Oh my god, this for you.
Oh my god, it's so cute.
We're gonna get this for giveaway.
Giveaway bottom. Kakek doang yang baru beli.
Yeah, maybe yeah. You want an iPhone? I want to get this now. Nah. You know.
No, it's expensive. Oh, it's $7.
$7? Oh.
$7. Oh, this is cute. What is this?
Glitter?
Eraser.
Eraser?
And
No, but we don't want to get that, and we have that.
you want this or not?
Maybe
Yes.
let's.
Take it. Take it.
No, maybe that is not cute for
Yeah.
giveaway. Oops, sorry. And I have this, guys, and I gotta give away that for girl, not for boy. Okay?
Because whose girl in here is so left?
Guys, oh my god.
I was seeing. Wait, this one is over here.
But I love this.
You want it? Let's get it.
No, I don't want to get this.
Oh my god.
We have we're gonna get. That is
It's like hard.
guys. So this is washi tape. What are we gonna get? Which
I like this
color?
like nail polish thingy. This is cute. So cute, guys. This is like when you got a mistake. Like kayak tip X lah, tip X.
All right. So we gonna get this one. I don't know. Okay, so we're gonna get.
Ini gede banget untuk clear glue slime.
Okay, so we gonna get this one for giveaway. Done?
Maybe not. I'm still looking what I want. Aku mau sesuatu juga.
Yeah, you wanna get.
Aku mau get.
We gonna get this for done. We done for giveaway, guys. Done. Ini terakhir ya, guys, buat kita giveaway ke kalian.
Yang gede aja.
Jangan yang ini aja. Right. Aduh, help me. Aduh, nggak mau keluar lagi.
Yang mana?
Yang ini aja, yang ini aja. Alright, this one.
Giveaway.
For giveaway. Okay, so we gonna get somebody like this.
This one is cute. Unicorn. Unicorn.
That is unicorn. No, we gonna get. Something. That is unicorn. You have the unicorn, guys. Like this, maybe not. Okay, guys. So we done for this.
What up?
Done. We done, guys. So we gonna
now-
review this.